Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we begin, I just want to give a quick shout out to Noi B. Hey girl, you were the first to comment on my last video, and I just want to say thank you for all of your support. So we're jumping right in. I'm doing a simple nail look today. I'm going in with these straight coffin dual forms that I got off of Amazon. The link will be down below in the description box, but I love these dual forms. They're a game changer. I use them all the time. I prefer the coffin look, so if you like coffin, ballerina nails, they're perfect for you. I'm going to be using Ohuhu Polygel and Slip Solution today. A lot of people comment and ask me where I got this heart-shaped glass from. I got it from AliExpress. It took forever to get here, but I'm sure if you look up like heart-shaped dish or like, something like that on Amazon, you'll find it. I'll try and find a link for it as well, and I'll put it in the description box below. But these are super simple. If you never used dual forms before, they're super easy. All we're going to do is take our polygel, pat it in the dual form, and what you want to do is you want to make sure, you can see right here I was pointing out the lines. If you want all of your nails to be the same length, then when you put your polygel in the dual form, make sure that they are all at the same line. So in these dual forms, for this specific length, I went to line 3. So if you want all your nails to be the same length, go to that line. But doing dual forms is super simple and super easy. All you do is put the polygel in the dual form. You want to put a small but generous amount. And then all you're going to do is pat it in and make the cuticle area thinner than the rest of the nail area. You'll flip it over, pat underneath of the dual forms as well. Cure. A lot of people ask me how long I cure my nails for. I do a quick cure so I don't keep my hand in the lamp for too long, because as you know, keeping your hand in that lamp for too long isn't good for you. Another tip is that you should use a sunscreen or fingerless gloves, UV blocking gloves when doing nails, especially if you do them often like me, to keep your nails from, or to keep your hands from aging. But I cure for about 30 seconds, not even, honestly, probably like 20 seconds. And then after all of my nails are complete, I put my hand in the lamp for about a good minute, maybe a minute and 30 seconds. But I just do quick cures, honestly, closer to like 15 seconds. And then I keep my hand in the lamp for a long period of time when all of my hands are completed. When you're popping your dual forms off, you want to make sure that you're gentle, because if you're too rough, then you might like rip the whole nail off. But now all I'm doing is I'm going in with some alcohol and a lint-free wipe and wiping my nails down before I begin filing. I'm going in with some nail nippers and nipping the sides of my nails, and I'm using these Amazon nail files, 100, 180 grit nail files. I got them in a pack of 12 for like $7, and I love these nail files. I love how they have a curved side and a straight side, so they're perfect, and it's a really good deal. All links, as I said below, as I said earlier, are down below in the description box. I got this little nail brush from TJ Maxx actually, in like a pack of 2. And I'm just going in and wiping my nails down, but I would recommend washing your hands at this point. Now I'm going to be using the MAKARRT gel polishes. I absolutely love MAKARRT's gel polishes. They're super thick, super rich. You only need one layer and you're good to go. So this gel polish is in the shade Scarlet. And I'm going to be using this nail art brush that I got off of Shein. I have a code for 15% off of all MAKARRT products if you guys are interested. If you're in the market for gel polishes, I definitely recommend checking out MAKARRT's because they're really good. And I'm not just saying that because I have a discount code. They're actually really good products. So I'm just going to sit back and let you guys watch me work. I'm doing a very simple design today. I wanted to point out really quickly for cleanup, I'm just using a Polygel brush and some alcohol. So here are the results. I'm going to put my hand in the lamp and cure for about 45 seconds. And then I'm going to be using MAKARRT's top coat to finish that off. Going in with some cuticle oil now. I say it in every video. Doesn't matter how cute your nails are. If you do not use cuticle oil, yeah, your nails will not be cute. Crusty, dusty cuticles are not the wave. But here are the final results. Let me know what you guys think. I really love this. It's kind of like an abstract, cute nail art design. Apologies for not uploading on Thursday, but I love you guys, and I will see you guys on either Sunday or Monday. All right, hope you have a great weekend. Bye.